One of my mottos is mindset matters most. Now, I didn't pull that out of my rear. It comes from many years of personal experience that 80% of my failures were due to mindset. So if you're an introvert like me, you probably want some tips and tricks to manage your mindset, aka self-care, to stay on top of your game. Stay tuned. I'll give you some of my faves. Hey there, it's me, Stefan Burchard, the Bowtie Coach. I record and post useful business content here because I believe mindset matters most. Check back because I upload new content every other week. Hello, visionaries and quiet conquerors. It's me, Stefan Burchard, the Bowtie Coach. I'm here to chat about something very near and dear to our hearts, self-care for the introverted entrepreneur. Yes, it's possible to thrive in business without sacrificing your well-being, and I'm here to show you how to do that with a dash of style and perhaps some bowtie wit. Being an introvert in the bustling world of entrepreneurship is like being a cactus in a rainforest, uniquely adapted and quietly powerful. Our needs? Deep roots and plenty of space to flourish. We recharge in solitude and find strength in reflection. Yet, the constant networking, decision-making, and business pressures can drain our reserves faster than you can say, "Is it time to go home yet?" Self-care isn't just bubble baths, mani-pedis, massages, and spa days, though they are not off the table. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that nurtures your mental, physical, and emotional well-being. For introverts, that means, first, mental space. Time alone isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So carve out those quiet moments for meditation, reading, and simply hanging out and just being. I bookend my days with this. It's a powerful way to begin and end my day. Second up is physical well-being. Regular exercise, nourishing food, and enough sleep are your body's best friends. It's amazing how productive we can be with simply a good night's sleep. Exercise also has been proven to lower stress levels, and with less stress, we're more productive, right? Then there's emotional equilibrium. Learn to say no nicely, but firmly. Let go of the guilt. It's not serving you. Guard your energy like a dragon hoards gold. Set boundaries that allow you to thrive. Are you feeling overwhelmed lately, frazzled, unproductive? Well, you're not alone. This is where coaching comes into play. As your Bowtie Coach, I specialize in helping introverted entrepreneurs like you navigate these waters. Together, we can tailor a self-care and business strategy that fits your unique personality and business goals, ensuring that you don't just survive, but you thrive. Sound like a plan? My door and inbox are always open. So join me for a discovery call and let's chat about your goals and see if we're a good fit for each other. Now let's get practical on how we can implement this into our daily hustle. Here are some actionable tips. First up, schedule or time block quiet time. Just as you schedule meetings, schedule solitude. As I said, this is non-negotiable in my day. Second, optimize your environment. Create a workspace that feels like a sanctuary. Plants, comfortable seating, and minimal noise can really transform your productivity and add to your peace of mind. And by the way, no desk clutter ever. Cluttered desk will clutter your mind and destroy your productivity. Just saying, I know this firsthand. Third, mindful strategic networking. Choose quality over quantity. You know the difference. Engage in smaller, more meaningful interactions rather than large, draining events. And delegate. Yes, I know you can. Outsource those tasks that don't require your unique touch or zap of your energy. Delegate or delete it like a hot potato. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential. Embrace your quiet strength and care for yourself with the same passion you pour into your businesses. Hey, please pass this on to a friend or family member who may be looking for that limitless future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next vid. Bye!